What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be unboxing some MaXpeedingRods coilovers. I've used them in the past, had really good luck with them, but I never did an unboxing and show you and inspect everything, show you what's all in there. I currently have some Skunk 2 Pro 2s on the Civic right now, and they are really good for track use. I know that for sure. Really stiff. Even on the lightest preload, they're super stiff. Doesn't make for the best ride, but we are going to compare the Skunk 2 Pro 2s that are on here to the MaXpeedingRod coilovers that are in here. So I'm going to open this up and we'll go over some things once I get it open. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and open this packaging up here. It didn't take them very long for shipping, so that is a plus if anyone was wondering. Even with the COVID being a thing, it still didn't take very long to get here, so I'm kind of happy about that. They package it pretty well. It definitely has a sturdy package, heavy duty feel to it. Some of the cardboard boxes in the past that I've got with other products, not through MaXpeeding, I'm just talking about in general, no specific brand, they haven't felt very sturdy. Right here on the inside it has a service card, talks about MaXpeeding, how they do what they do, and customer satisfaction. So if you have any issues with it, they'll resolve the issue. Just give them a notice that there's a problem. So as for the inside, the contents of what's inside, it does come with the two collars for the front. You'll definitely need these, and it comes with washers as well, which that's pretty cool. And it's in a nice little baggie. Everything has its own little spot in here. These here would be the rears. Pull them out of the package here. Definitely a beautiful construction and design. These are actually adjustable damper right here, which is awesome. I do love having an adjustable damper. It does make the ride comfort better for a daily driver like my own. And then we've got these front ones right here. As you can see, it has the brake line spot up front, which is awesome, because on a lot of Hondas I've noticed people don't connect to these, and they should, just because it holds the brake line, because if that brake line goes to the tire, it'll chew up the brake line, which is very bad. I had it happen to me because I bought this car and they didn't bracket it down, and I had no idea, and my brakes just went out and I lost all my fluid and pressure, so very sketchy. So those collars I talked about that are over here, one will go right here and they will go into the front forks. Also, they come with the bolts, which is awesome, because I've gotten a lot of coilovers in the past. MaXpeeding has never disappointed me with their quality and ride comfort. Now, I have heard people telling horror stories of MaXpeedingRod coilovers. I don't know anything about that, but I've never personally had an issue running these on any of my vehicles. So just keep that in mind. Here is the adjusters, so you can adjust the ride height, which I'll show you that here in a second. Okay, so to adjust the ride height on these, this is actually how you raise or lower it, which is pretty cool, because most of them actually just use this top piece right here for height. But this is the damper. You can stiffen this up or loosen it. I like it on the looser side for daily, but around corners and stuff like that, I like it to be stiffer with more dampening force adjusted up top, where this adjustable damper is. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I did notice something on these where it actually talks about the spring rate. It says 70.5 by 11-180-5. These would be the rears. They're a little softer of a spring rate, and the fronts are heavier, 70.5 by 12-180 by 8. So where the others were 11s, these were 12s. Where the other one was a 5, these are 8s. So it's definitely a stiffer spring load on the fronts because engine, transmission weight, and so on. But I see something underneath here, so I'm going to go ahead and pull all of this out and see what's under there. Well, there's a package that's underneath all of this. So I'm going to open it and see exactly what it is. Oh, MaXpeedingRods sticker for the shop or for the car. We'll see what design or what style it is. If anything, I can make one of these on my vinyl machine to put on the car. But I think this is the kind that has the clear attached to it. Yep, so the clear is attached to this one, so it doesn't leave it behind whenever you pull the clear up, so the clear will just stay on it. But I'll definitely find somewhere to hang that and show my support for MaXpeedingRods, because they actually do make really good quality products. You guys should definitely check out MaXpeedingRods' website. There will be a link in the description with the discount code. There will also be a link for their Instagram. Go give them a follow, and yeah, definitely check out some of their products. So I won't be doing the comparison in this video. This is mostly just an unboxing video. But if you guys are interested in the Skunk 2 versus the MaXpeedingRod coilovers, there will be a separate video. It'll be on my Texas Honda channel, so definitely go subscribe there. Link will be in the description. In a previous video on that channel, I actually installed Yoshi wideband gauge holder. So Yoshi's actually holding it. He's mounted there. And the wideband gauge looks really cool with him holding it. But we're definitely going to put these MaXpeedingRod coilovers that are right here on the car and do a comparison. Drive this thing with the Skunk 2 Pro 2s. Right now the spring load is set at its softest it can be, and it's still kind of bouncy, but we're going to do a comparison of before and after basically. So we'll also go over the price difference and all of that stuff. But huge shout out to MaXpeedingRods for making an awesome quality product. Definitely go check them out. Highly recommend them. I know a lot of people have said a lot of bad things, but I personally have never had an issue with them. And if I ever do, you guys will be the first to know. But that's basically it for this video. Just wanted to get you some content and let you guys know what's coming on the other channel. So definitely go over there, subscribe, stay tuned, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. As I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.